again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today here in my Qwest showroom. What you see behind me is the Qwest E-Class RLS. It is in frost and sapphire, super attractive exterior and a great interior as well. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look. So as you get in here, you see our light interior, which matches with the nice honeycomb pattern here, as well as the sapphire blue. It matches the exterior of the boat as well. We work ourselves a little further back here. You will notice a couple captain's chairs for the captain and his first mate. A great way to have maybe an evening cruise, be able to talk to whoever you're sitting with. We also have the Clarion Bluetooth stereo system, a cell phone charging port here, as well as a cell phone holder. So really nice options here as well. As we work ourselves a little further back in the boat here, you'll see a couple more comfortable seats here in the back. We have our swim ladder, and we can rig this with any Suzuki motor, 75 horsepower and below. With anything we sell, we do offer free on-water lessons, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, a full mooring cover, and a full safety package. And we're also going to handle all your titling and registration needs here in-house. If you think this might be the boat for you, you can call or text us at 419-368-5951. We look forward to seeing you soon.